Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make homemade classic creamy Italian salad dressing. This simple recipe brings restaurant-quality flavor right to your kitchen. We'll combine a few pantry staples with fresh ingredients to create a rich, tangy, and incredibly delicious dressing. It's perfect for green salads, pasta salads, or as a marinade. Get ready to elevate your meals with this easy-to-follow guide. First, let's start by whisking together the wet ingredients to form our creamy base. In a medium bowl, combine 1/2 cup of good quality mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar. Next, add 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and 1/2 teaspoon of granulated sugar. Whisk these ingredients thoroughly until the mixture is completely smooth and well emulsified. This creates the perfect foundation for our dressing. Now, it's time to infuse our dressing with those classic Italian flavors. Mince 2 cloves of fresh garlic very finely and add them to the bowl. Then, stir in 1 teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. Mix everything well to ensure the flavors are evenly distributed throughout the creamy base. Taste and adjust the salt or pepper as needed to achieve your desired balance. Once your dressing is fully mixed, cover the bowl and refrigerate it for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step allows all the wonderful flavors to meld and deepen, resulting in a more harmonious and delicious dressing. Before serving, give it a quick whisk again. This homemade creamy Italian dressing is best enjoyed fresh, but you can store any leftovers in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.